Hey guys, it's Poochie. Fourth quarter is here, and that starts with Halloween. So Halloween is an incredibly popular holiday, and it is actually the second spending holiday right behind Christmas. I'm going to read you an article about how much money people are going to spend this Halloween season. Even in a recession, even in a bad economy, it's going to be a record year for Halloween spending. So this came from Ecommerce Bites. Halloween spending to reach record $12.2 billion. It's from the National Retail Federation. Halloween spending is expected to reach a record $12.2 billion, exceeding last year's record of $10.6 billion. Now let's talk about that. It's gonna outdo last year by between 15 and 20%. I think even during this bad economy, recession, etc., people are talking about all the inflation. People are still going to spend money on what matters to them, and Halloween matters to them. Up almost 15 to 20% just from last year. A record number of people, 73%, will participate in Halloween-related activities this year, up from 69% in 2022. Okay, that's 4% more that are going to participate in Halloween-related activities, and 32% of those people will make Halloween purchase online. So, what does that mean? Let's get into this a little further. Costumes are going to be the biggest increase in spending, 69% as opposed to 67% last year. Costumes people are expected to spend $4.2 million on costumes this year. That's up from $3.6 billion in 2022. More than three-quarters plan to purchase decorations, $3.9 billion worth of decorations. So discount stores remain the leading destination, followed by specialty Halloween and costume stores and online spending. Okay, so what that means is about a third of that $12.2 million, or over $4 million, is going to be spent online. That's pretty incredible. The leading sources of inspiration continue to be online searches, 37%. So here's the thing. If you are doing content that is leading people through online searches to your content, right? If you're doing TikTok, if you're doing YouTube, if you're doing social media posts, Facebook, whatever, if you're doing blogs, then about Halloween, you can lead people to your e-commerce listings, your listings on your store, on Shopify, on Amazon, on eBay, wherever. Lead them directly to purchase the items. So it's going to be a great Halloween season. There's a lot of money to be made. There's a lot of money to be made in e-commerce. So make sure you are getting your Halloween stuff, costume stuff, decoration stuff listed, because after that, boom, it's Thanksgiving. And after that, boom, it's Christmas, the big daddy of them all. There's lots of money to be made this fourth quarter, but you have to make sure that you're targeting items that your customers want, and you're getting your customers to look at them, look at the items on your store, etc., through social media and free advertising. So, because like it says, 37% of people find inspiration for Halloween doing online searches. So just a tip. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's make some money this fourth quarter.